I'll be showing you how to use voice commands to take photos and videos with your Samsung Galaxy S24. So before you can start, just make sure you launch the camera app and then go to settings. Under settings, scroll down to shooting methods, tap on that, and then make sure voice commands is enabled. And you should see some voice commands you can give your phone. You can say smile, cheese, capture, or even shoot to take pictures, or you can even say record video to record videos. So for instance, if you go back to the camera, let's turn the camera around and say smile, smile, like that, and it takes a photo. So let's try video. Let's try and see if it's going to work with the photo mode selected. Record video. It's not going to do it. So we have to go into video mode and say record video. And it starts recording. So that's basically how to use voice commands to take pictures and photos and also videos on your Galaxy S24. This could be useful in case you're alone and you want to start taking photos with your phone mounted on a tripod or standing somewhere without necessarily touching the phone. You can do that easily. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. Good luck.